It's you. Hey, Kakashi-sensei.
Lady Fifth has summoned you. Let's go.
So this is Jiraiya Boy's student, is it?
He is one of the two great sages of Mount Myoboku, Lord Fukasaku.
Answer me this. Are you really Jiraiya Boy's student, or aren't you?
Jiraiya boy?
He's Jiraiya's master.
What did he come so far to talk to me about?
I'm afraid Jiraiya Boy has died in battle.
Huh?
Jiraiya Boy encountered Pain, the leader of the Akatsuki.
There were 6 of them with the Rinnegan?
Why would you ever let him do something so risky?
Wait, where are you going?